아침이 가로에 소토노마 디시 컵스나 생신 갔죠. 생신 갔더니 자만은 MBC 그만 약간 안 나가는 미파이 그게 다 알겠어.
Minister was replying to the motion yesterday.
Nisuingpa sakantikon Meghalaya News 24 channel unaram chakswa. Ani jora emarak aroyan dalni koborang. Karni senani Phadot Surajpal Amu Meghalaya ni Governor Satyapal Malik ko kami ki chagaparang ni jegalani khosakwa agananina Nisan ko Rai wa mungsa nang chumot kapa Governor post ni resign khanananga ane dabyataha. Robibar salo Jaipurong at kapagi sa thomanyo kami ki chagaparang ni gaman aganingon ya andake dalgapa movement dauna kengkeng asong khujai jeon sak chadok manderangni janggirang gemaha ane agana hacham. Ongrong bewal getade jen somayo accident rang unga uno sa Delhi ni dalgaparangni message sukronga. Ndiba mangma resolution rangko parliamento kame ge chagaparangni movement ni jete anio siangpa manderangna rajaha अनेबा मालिक आगना हा
जिन सतपाल मलिक महोदय को आज किसानों की चिंता हो रही है, जरा वो ये भी बता दें कि जिस दलित के हाथ काटकर जिसका हत्या की गई थी, क्या उसके घर पर वो गए? जिन बच्चियों के साथ बलात्कार हुआ, क्या उनके पक्ष में कभी वो बोले? जिस गरीब ब्राह्मण को जलाकर जिंदा जलाकर मार दिया गया, क्या उसके परिवार से जाकर सतपाल मलिक कभी मिले? उसकी चिंता भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार ने की है, देश के प्रधानमंत्री गृह मंत्री ने की है, देश के कृषि मंत्री नरेंद्र भाई तोमर ने की है। आज ये घड़ियाली आंसू बहाकर जिस प्रकार की राजनीति एक संवैधानिक पद पर बैठा व्यक्ति कर रहा है, तो निश्चित तौर पे करनी सेना को उस पर आपत्ति है। किसानों का ठेका केवल एक जाति ना ले, यहाँ पर 100 करोड़ किसान है देश के अंदर। भारत कृषि प्रधान देश है और उसी कृषि प्रधान देश के अंदर किसानों के हित की चिंता देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र भाई मोदी करते हैं, कृषि मंत्री भारत सरकार नरेंद्र भाई तोमर करते हैं। आज उनकी कार्यशैली के ऊपर क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाने का अधिकार एक संवैधानिक पद पर बैठे हुए व्यक्ति को नहीं है। मैं करनी सेना का राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष होने के नाते सूरजपाल हूँ, मैं सतपाल मलिक साहब से अनुरोध करूंगा कि उनको धरने पर बैठना चाहिए और राज्यपाल के पद से इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए।
Adok sorkari je mangan janggi genangpa matpurung rangko asam adok kata padengen basalengacem wa mangna transit pass rangko onna rachak manaha. Je biaprangon matchurangko salna champengani rang dongacem wandakpa biaprango adok sorkari animal husbandry aro veterinary department na transit rangko onchina ge etani kon manaha ne pharakataha. Mamung pengpangani gri adokni aphaloni ko rabaingpa matchurangko Meghalaya una ranapna Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department na uyataha ane pharakataha. Adokni sambao donggapa asam adokni matchurangko badeng chiwalanyo champeng atani niamrang dongani gaman badeng geparang transit pass ko asam sorkari oniko rana nangani gaman Meghalaya sorkari ya issue ko asam adok paksa chanchirme khamrangko khangaha. Adokni Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ni Minister Sanbor Shulai patanggapa somoy aphaloni ko rana painggapa matchurangko Padanggaparang na transit pass ko China state transport na notification unmanataha ane jana patahacham. Assam Adoko Cattle Preservation Act 2021 ko ragataunin Adoko manderangni chabat kapa machu beenni damrang namen thangdowaha. All Garo Hills SSA School Teacher Association wamangni matna nanging kapa jabungani beton rangko manku jaingani gaman dup ungani ko parakataha. Wamangi jana patani gatade wamang adokni skotong minister na aro education minister na changni changi sekratani lekharangko onan baksana ba Union Education Minister of India Shri Dharmendra Pradhan batanggapa jani koruptok thareko dabi jegalani ko takanyo lekha ko onaha andake ongen smoba chungni dabiani ko khna chakjani na chungni jegalani ko asongni skotong songjanma New Delhi ni Jantar Mantar jegalna drata ko manaha ane AGHSSASTA ni Phadot LG moment pharakataha. Jegalani ko November jani kholachi tharekona khungkhung onja games mode rebaingpa December jani abachengpa antio jegalani ko Delhi o dakangen ane pharakataha. Meghalaya adoko bilsi hajalni khobriksao me ichkrangni khosako ongija dakpa khamrang chugama Ratchabri Soskugni Kesrang Ongaha and Social Welfare ni Minister Kirmil Shila Parakataha. Warangoni rape kaani ge sotpribonga, attempt to rape ge chichet, kidnapping and abduction case ge kograt, mechkrangko chunnak onnak takani ge chisni, segaparangni khanam gija jakapako doka satani ge chido, soota sakani, soota joton kaani gebri, aro dowry ge saungaha, neighbor Minister Parakataha.
We have a team, especially our police department,
they are trying to stop the crime, and then in collaboration with the art department, we are trying to what to say exactly, means our officers are on the loop, trying to find out what is the ways and means, especially when it comes to this awareness and all. They're trying to give awareness, but it's just because of this COVID, we have so many things which we cannot progress when it comes to awareness programs. And I don't know exactly where we went wrong that this case increased. But I believe that this is just a mindset of those culprits who commit these things. That is there maybe is a lack of awareness from our side, or is just that they have these evil thoughts that they has to commit this kind of crimes. So, but we didn't expect, and we don't want that this thing should happen. So we believe that we will try to find a ways. I mean, how do we go about it? Where we can stop this crime against women.
Meghalaya Governor Satyapal Malik Center ni BJP Sokari ko kami ke chagaparang ni issue na aro Center ni Vista project ni khosako agana ni ko dakengon angni poster ni ungkat na pa kenja ne parakataha. Uni Jaipura akan tapanyo Delhi ni dalgaparang achak Sion condolence message ko watenga andi ba kami ke chagaparang sakratsadok sigent moba mamung kasa chakani ko mesokja ane agana ha. Kami ke chagaparang mamung Sokari ni ge gatham every marketing law rangni khosako jegalani ko dakenga. Corruption aro black money ni jagam ko beatna muksunge asongni skotong minister batangpa bilsi hajalgni chidokni November jani 7 tariko asong gamakon surprise onen ba thangkarang ko ranggatek podolani ko takanga hacham andake onggen chmoba da bilsi bunga batpolgen chmoba mai dakpa namgani rangko manaha yan dalgapa sngani ongenga social media rango demonetization aro uni impact ni bidungo so jengjeng ongani rangko nakinga.
Demonetization has taken our growth rate way down below. So I only know this much. After demonetization came COVID. Not to forget the GST and everything else that has happened in between. And we're not to see the GDP of our country is already at a very, very compromised level. Today, countries like Bangladesh and Pakistan are faring much better than us. So if demonetization has done good to this country and has brought back all the so-called black money back into the coffers of the country, why is it that we don't see this growth on the ground as we speak? Demonetization was some dramatic tactic which could not be understood by the common man. The common man still fails to understand how that exercise has helped him. So this is something which I think our nation will remember. It's a historical disaster. And we have still not overcome it. Because after that came another COVID, came another pandemic, came everything else. We don't know what's going on anymore.
Yes.
I'm doing I'm meeting my people every day who have nothing but complaints. The value of the rupee has not in any way improved because of demonetization. That was the promise made to us, but that promise has never been fulfilled. So we have benefited minus development because of more demonetization. There has been absolutely no positive impact on the economy of this country. We in fact continue to suffer. You know, the residues of demonetization continue to occur in our lives even today after so many years of demonetization. 2000, which was that? 16. So see, that is what I have to say, ma.
Tali khoborang de yarangsan nasimang ya khoborang ni gaman talbate machina scan semode Meghalaya news24.com oniko poraina tamat gen. Sakanjen simsake dongbo ongkatore maskrangko ganjangbo. Un baksana ba Sokari ni don gaman yamrangko jarakpo sakantikon nisuhanina mathela.